This is expected to be the biggest storm of the season for us. Governor Kathy Hochul announcing state preparations over the weekend just to make sure the region is ready. The governor diverting resources from the Department of Transportation and the Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Services to help the capital region and eastern New York prepare for this storm. More than 70 Department of Transportation workers are being deployed from the western part of the state and from the Long Island region to areas that will be impacted the most by this storm, and that includes us. There will be 10 plow operators for the capital region and 3 for the Mid-Hudson region coming from these other areas. The Department of Homeland Security has generators, portable heaters, bottled water, and blankets available to distribute if that becomes necessary.